Welcome back to Ada Zoysia. Today we are going to review a sprayer. This is the Chapin G362D professional multi-use sprayer. This sprayer combines the ease of use with precise operation. It automatically blends the full strength concentrate. Just set the metering dial to the recommended manufacturer's dilution rate located here to the bead here. When using a full strength concentrate, there is no waste, as unused concentrate left in the bottle can be returned to its original container. This sprayer has four major components: the pistol grip handle with lever valve for instant on and off operation. This should be fully opened for correct operation. The mixing head with a metering dial calibrated to tablespoons or teaspoons per gallon of water. Stored on top is the teaspoon orifice that we will apply if we're using teaspoons. A 32-ounce unbreakable polyethylene container with a siphon tube and strainer. An adjustable deflector which can angle the water up or down and is removable for a solid stream that carries up to 30 feet for spraying trees. This sprayer is designed to work most accurately at 40 to 60 psi. The lower your pressure, the lower the dilution rate. The higher the pressure, the stronger your dilution rate. This unit also features an anti-siphoning device which blocks the chemical from backfeeding into your water supply. Always test for proper settings, especially recommended when the dilution rate of the chemical is critical. For more accurate dilution rates, you can use the teaspoon orifice. You just take it off the top, put it in your siphon, and you're ready to go. In my case, I'm just going to use tablespoons, so we will not be using this orifice. For the purposes of testing today, we're going to apply some Humic 12 to 1,000 square feet. The recommended rate is going to be 3 to 9 ounces per 1,000. We're just going to go with about 5 ounces. Right on the money. When using products like N-ext products, a product with a viscosity greater than water, the mix rate can be affected. In this case, we're just going to go straight and see how it mixes. We had a little bit of a problem getting that last little bit out, so I've added some water to this concentrate, and we're just going to finish this bottle out. The N-ext product seemed to spray really well out of this. It sprays even better when you mix it with just a little bit of water, but the application rate was very simple to figure out with the metering dial. Next, we're going to put in some soluble powder product. This is a Kelp for Less product. 2 teaspoons. The directions from Chapin say to mix this with 5 ounces of water and agitate prior to adding to the bottle. So that's what we're going to do. There's a lot of solids in here. We're going to put it in and see if that will get sucked up or clogged up. We're going to find out. I added a little bit more than 5 ounces, but it doesn't matter. We can still put that on the same 1,000 square feet. Hey, since the guys at Kelp for Less are all gangsta, we're gonna spray it gangsta style. When using a soluble powder like a Kelp for Less product, they recommend that you take your rate per gallon of water, let's say 1 teaspoon, and you mix that with 5 ounces of water. Then you agitate it and add it to the tank and spray it out, which is what I just did, and it didn't work too well. The N-ext products that I used, which was a humic acid product, sprayed very evenly and came out well. The Kelp for Less did not. I ran it for about 5 minutes and only about an ounce and a half came out of the container. So the undissolved pieces of the soluble powder really kind of blocked it up. That leads us to cleaning your sprayer. You should always rinse it out and run at least 1 cycle through the siphon to ensure that it's clear and that there is no cross-contamination of chemicals. If you are spraying a herbicide, always wash with soapy water, rinse it completely, and flush it with 3 containers of clean or soapy water through the siphon and the nozzle to clear anything you have. It's always recommended that if you are using a herbicide, to have a separate bottle for that so there is no cross-contamination. Here are my likes and dislikes for the Chapin G362D professional multi-use sprayer. I definitely like the nozzle here where I can direct the spray pattern down or up. I like the fact that I can gangster spray. The nozzle here is very convenient for whatever your application rate might happen to be. I did not take off this here to use the direct spray for a 30-foot jet, but that would be helpful if I'm spraying shrubs or bushes that are out of reach. It was very easy to clean, very easy to use. It holds 32 ounces. I mean, you can cover a lot of square footage with with that. Brass fittings, good seals, nice plastic. It came clean with just clean water, and you know how humic acid is. So overall, I like it, and I'm going to use it for smaller areas. But you know my backyard is big, and I'll be using a push sprayer or backpack sprayer for large areas. Thank you, Chapin, for allowing me to review your sprayer.